Hi, in this video lesson we will see how to develop a user registration form in React. So as you know that form is typically defined within the form tag in traditional HTML code and React.js. To work with the form we need a npm and node.js, React HTML form, and also we need some idea of React hooks. So we will create three fields: name, email, and path for registration form. In this folder we will create our React app. Just type cmd npx create react app, name of your app, my app. Let's change the directory by cd command and name of your folder or a directory which is my app. So let's minimize this window, and this is our React app which we have created. So now we need to open this my app in any code editor. So I'm using VS Code. We have to just drag here and drop in your code editor. Don't save. So you can see here there are many files and folders like a package.js and src folder. We will work with src. There are app.js and also there are many files and folders. So let's open app.js. So app.js returns many unnecessary things because we want a simple registration form. So let's remove all the things here. And in src we have to create a new file. Right click and new file, form.js. So this will be our new model. In the form.js we have written some HTML and use stats. Let me show you. So this is the function, or you can call this a class. This is form class, and there are use stats for set name, email, and password. Three fields form we are making and one submit button. So we have set this submit button and use state, and if there are some errors it will give, or it will update any error in the form while processing. Using this function success message, once form has been successfully submitted, then change the class which is success, and user will see user, and whatever user name user will type, then successfully registered. So this pop-up, this message user can see while submitting a form, and if there are some message it will show a message and change the class which is error. Then please enter all the fields. Next we return a class name div, and have a class name which is form, and this is one tag for user registration. And there we have just minute form. This is for, we are calling two functions which we have created above here, error message and form success message. So we're calling inside a div and error message and success message, whatever message we are getting after submitting form. Then this is the form, and we have input type name, input type text or input, and input type text, and its values whatever name user will type, and its class is input. Then once it's changed it will handle a name that this is the function which we have created. The same for the handle emails, and its input type is email. Then this is for password, so handle password and class name is input, its type is password. And this is the submit button, and there are one functions handle submit, and handle submit function we have created here, handle submit. So there are if and else condition had it triggered, so set errors if user type empty values, email is empty and password is empty, so set the errors. If user type right values or right input, then set the submitted it's false and set the submitted is true. Next we have to call this module inside our app.js file. Let's make a one div, and div should be closed, and inside the div we're gonna call our module which is form. Class name is our app. Control for save. Now we need to run our application via npm start. So we can write a command to run our application, that is npm start, and you can see there are a user registration, but it's not looks like good. So we need to write some css for giving some style to this form. So this is app.css. Here we need to write some css code. So this is the main class app, and text line is center. Its background color is green. So let me change this to any busy. Then all the labels and all the inputs, it's a font size, padding and margin we have set it. Then button color is white. You can change any button color. Font size is larger display block. Let me first refresh so you will understand. There are two other classes also, messages and errors. If form have an error, it will show a display block and color is red. Okay, so this is the normal CSS which we have used, and this is all about a class of CSS. So guys, today we have seen how to make a registration form in Node React. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.